In this video, how to create Venmo account in Pakistan. I will explain important information about creating a Venmo account in Pakistan. First, it is important to know that Venmo is only available in the United States. To create a Venmo account, you usually need a US phone number. You also need a US bank account or debit card. Open the App Store on your phone. Search for Venmo in the search bar. Install the Venmo app on your phone. After that, open the Venmo app. Tap the option called Sign Up. Enter a valid email address to create the account. Provide a US phone number for verification. Now, create a strong password for the account. Enter your full name correctly. Provide your date of birth. After that, identity verification may be required. Venmo may request an identification document. You will also need to link a supported bank account. Without a US bank account, the service may not work properly. Always check the official website for updated requirements. This explains how Venmo account availability